but you don't even see me. You pull me close, then you disappear. I'm trying to connect it, but your eyes scream fear. I'm holding on, but you're drifting slow. Every time you touch me, you let me go. Baby, why you hide your truth? I'm breaking every time I reach for you. Your silence hurts louder than words, and I'm still here, praying to be heard. I feel your heartbeat, but you fade away, and I don't know what to say. Your love is a night I get lost in. Your breath pulls me deeper again, 'cause I'm into you more than I'm supposed to. The light in me is fading every time I can't get through, but I'm into you, even when it hurts to. I fall again, I break again, still running back to you. I'm into you. I'm into you. I'm into you. I'm into you. But you turn into shadows. I give you my voice, and you answer with silence. I'm trying to love you in a place where love feels distant. Still, I'm into I'm still into you.